In the figure shown, area of each plate is A. Match the given columns and select the correct option from the codes given below. Column 1 and column 2. Charges on phase 3. Charges on phase 5. Potential difference between 2 and 3. Potential difference between 2 and 5. Options 0, V, minus epsilon naught A by 2D into V, minus epsilon naught A by D into V. Now in this question we have a system like this: one plate, another plate and another plate. Okay, now what we have done, we have actually connected these two plates and we inserted a battery between these two plates. That means this plate 1 and this plate 6, okay, 1, 2 and this phase is 5. So these two will have the same potential, right? But this is forming one capacitor, this system is forming one capacitor, right? So we know that here that potential drop between them is V, and for these two plates potential difference will also be V only for this capacitor system. So now for initial two, for these two plates, okay, which are forming plates number 2 and plate number 3, so distance between them is 2D. So we can say C1 is equal to epsilon naught A by 2D. This is the formula for parallel plate capacitor. So now we can find that charge value Q is equal to C into V. So C1 into V, C1 is epsilon naught A by 2D into V. Now this is the equivalent charge, but they are not asking this charge, they are asking the value of individual charges. So we know that if any plate is there, if any plate is having, let's say, Q charge here, then it will be having minus Q charge there, because net charge will be 0. So this is the equivalent charge for capacitor. So now that means for this plate it is coming out to be epsilon naught A by 2D into V. So for this plate, so charge at third plate will be minus Q, that will be minus epsilon naught A by 2D into V. So that means first will be matched with R only, correct? Now coming to the charge on the phase 5. So charge on the phase 5 means this is our phase 5. So for this phase what we need to do, so again if you see the system of the plates, this is the fourth phase and this is the fifth phase. Okay, so they are asking charge on this, so value of Q5. We know that potential drop is V, but obviously this is the value of potential drop, which is because of the battery supplied. Now we can say that Q will be equal to, for this capacitor system, that will be C2 into V. So what is the value of C2? That will be epsilon naught A by D, because distance of separation is right now D into V. So what is the value of Q5? So Q5 will be, it is obvious that again plus and minus, so minus Q, that would be equal to minus epsilon naught A by D into V. So which option is correct? So for second, that has to be the S, correct? Now coming to the third portion, potential drop between phases 2 and 3. So for phases 2 and 3, we know already, we have already utilized this fact that potential drop will be V, equivalent to V. So third option will be matched with whom? So third option will be matched with Q, right? So this is one box, this is another box, and this is first box. Now they are asking about fourth, potential drop between phase 2 and 5. So which phase? This phase 2 and this phase is 5, correct? So now you can see this battery is connected along this, okay, positive terminal is connected. So V potential, so this phase is having potential V, same as this phase is potential V. So potential drop, potential difference between 2 and 5 will be V2 minus V5, which says V minus V, which is 0. So that means which option is correct? So we can say fourth. Fourth will be matched with P. 0 will be the answer. So now check your options. So first option, first is matching with R. Yes. Second option, second is matching with S. Second is matching with S. Correct. Third is matching with Q. And fourth is matching with P. Yes, obviously first option is the right answer. Great.